Banana, banana, na 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 na. Banana, na 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 na. Hey monkey, here I come. Banana, banana, na 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 na. Banana, na 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 na. Hey monkey, stomp the floor. Hey monkey, monkey, give a banana to me. Hey monkey, monkey, hey yeah. Hey monkey, monkey, give a banana to me. Hey monkey, monkey, give a banana to me.
This project should be undertaken with adult supervision to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience.
We've got everything you'd need to make any dessert, even ice cream. We've got all kinds of cream filling and icing. We've got tons of stuff to decorate our desserts. Like these cute little figurines and toys. I think I already know where we can use them. And these colorful sprinkles, aren't they the best? We can even add some sparkle if needed.
And look at these pretty dessert glasses. We can pick any shape depending on the dessert. Everything looks so amazing. I can't wait to begin working on desserts.
Cool! Why don't we start then?
Hold up, Sammy. Didn't you forget anything?
Whoops, right. Here we go, air dry clay.
Good job, Sammy. Just what we need. Now we can finally start. First, I'll roll it into a ball. Yep, perfect. Let's see if it fits. Ideal. Now it's time to make it fancy. How about this piping tip? Let's check it out, guys. Wow, that's really nice. And some sprinkles.
Sue, please help me choose, a bunny or a cookie?
I think a cookie will match the vibe of this cupcake. This time, we'll use white clay. It'll be easier to match decorations. Can I make a perfect ball? Ta-da! That's just right. You gotta stay here. Deal? I think yellow frosting will look amazing on our white cupcake, right? I knew it! It's like a tiny sun against a cloud. Voila! Shiny sprinkles are exactly what's needed.
Sue, pick one, a donut or a donut?
I pick both of them. This way, neither of them will feel lonely. This color is so deep and beautiful. It reminds me of the night sky. It's ready to go. Don't you dare roll away.
What do you think of my color choice, Sue?
Let's try.
The purple and white combo is classic.
We'll see. Oh, it does look great.
Sue, a tough choice for you. Honey or Teddy?
This choice is too tough. I'll pick a third option.
And how about a bow for the cookie cup?
Awesome. It looks very fancy now. What do you say, friends? This green color reminds me of grass in spring. So fresh. This time I want to try something different. It's gonna stick out of the cup. Now I'll add the second layer and a lot of light pink frosting.
Looks like it misses a flower.
Ooh, right. Sammy, you're a genius.
This craft makes me feel so good, Sue. Let's continue.
Yeah, these bright colors boost my mind too.
Sue, look at what I made.
Ah, your favorite color. I think it should fill this glass. Perfect. These pastel colors are so pretty.
From now on, call me a unicorn.
Good joke. This is where your horn goes. Now it will match the vibe of our pretty desserts.
Sue, how about 3 layers?
We can try. Layer number 1, 2, 3. What do you think, Sammy?
Super edible. Can I?
Not yet. We gotta add some white frosting first. And decorate it with these tiny fruit slices. Ta-da! Would you taste this dessert, friends?
Sue, you gotta check it out. What's this? It looks like colorful hail. Uh-oh. What if it colors me blue? Or yellow?
Don't panic, Sammy. I made them for our next dessert. See? Nothing to worry about. It feels very pineapple-y.
Wow, that's what I call a true dessert. Yummy.
I'm making another one for you, Sammy. Tiny balls first. Then some pink frosting. And this bright yellow frosting on top of it all. Ta-da! The dessert is ready.
It's too pretty to eat. It belongs to a museum.
I bet Sammy would be happy to visit a dessert museum.
Don't say I'm not helping.
That wouldn't be true. You're a great help. Pale yellow and light pink look great together. This star should feel comfy here.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star. How I wonder what you are. Sue, I'm almost there. Bringing another glass.
Oh, thanks.
To tell you the truth, I almost dropped it.
It'll be the base of our dessert. And this is the next layer. It's like a circus trick. Some pink icing. Whoops, it's spilling. Well, it's fine. Looks a bit casual, but still yummy.
Sue, hurry. I'm gonna drop it. I just need a bit more practice. That's all.
I know, Sammy. You can do any trick. Even make a dessert disappear. Anyway, I'll put some frosting on top of this layered dessert. Nice. I almost forgot to add a little flowers for this one.
I'm gonna get into the Guinness Book. Sue, why did you do it? You ruined my chance to become popular.
Sorry, Sammy. I was thinking about our craft and forgot about your potential fame. I'm sure you'll come up with something else. And now I need to complete this dessert. I bet this is the cutest one of all we've made today. But I have another idea. It'll be adorable. I'll combine baby blue and light pink. And then I'll add this tiny teddy bear. And bears love honey, right? Oh, and some pink icing. Almost there.
There is no such thing as too much honey. This dessert takes first place on my list. Oh, Sue, we could also make ice cream in a cone.
Great idea.
This idea isn't great. It's yummy.
We'll start with the bubblegum flavor. Then a bit of blueberry and apple ice cream. And finally, the orange flavor. Icing is a must. Yeah, the more the better. Who says we can't decorate ice cream? These fruits will make it taste even better. Voila! Ever tried anything this good?
Wow, can I take a bite, Sue? It even smells amazing. Next, my favorite pink cone.
Oh, you even added sprinkles. I know Sammy likes the grape flavor. Why don't we add some soft lemon ice cream on top? Perfect. And a little strawberry. I'd eat this ice cream myself.
Don't you dare. Pink is my favorite color. But thanks anyway, Sue. It looks delicious.
The next ice cream is raspberry flavored. One of my favorite flavors. Don't forget the vanilla icing. And a few decorations. Just look at it. I think I did a really good job.
I definitely agree. Let me hold it. I'll, take it to the dolls. Yeah, exactly. Sue, look at what I found.
These look like containers. We could put something inside. Or we could stack them. Looks like a cake.
Amazing! I'll put my candy in the bigger one.
Great choice. Then I'll put my colorful beads in the smaller one.
How about decorating our cake? Look what I have.
That's a genius idea. It looks much more fun this way.
I feel that there isn't enough sparkle.
True. These rhinestones will boost the vibe. I'll decorate the top part with flowers.
Let me try the spell I learned yesterday. Whoosh!
Wow, Sammy, that's amazing! This cake is 10 out of 10.
Let's take a closer look at the desserts we've made. Like this video and subscribe to our channel. More exciting, colorful crafts are coming. Bye!
Oh, hiya, Ellery. Did you see anyone around here pick Chef Thorne's blackberries?
No, but I will keep a lookout.
Ellery, I am making blackberry pie tonight, so I will need all of these blackberries. You can't just come in here and take things without asking.
Oh.
That wasn't very smart.
The furry one is right. Why steal berries when I could steal a whole pie?
We filled the holes, but I thought you were going to plant new flowers.
We did. What happened? A giant, invisible, flower-eating monster must have taken them. There's no such thing as monsters, Thistle. Let's go and look on the other side of the hill. Oh, no, you don't. My new pink stone!
We just filled these holes. Someone is ruining Hummingbird Hill on purpose.
I can't imagine who would be so, well, mean. Did you hear that? Hello, Rose. May I help you? Hi, Bibi. Someone stole all the flowers we planted. Do you know anything about it? You're not suggesting that me or my brother had anything to do with it.
Sorry, Bibi. I couldn't keep quiet. I just told him about the flowers and the holes and everything.
I've never seen this bunny before in my life.
It's me, your brother, Bobby.
What are you looking for?
Daffodil gave me a new stone for my bracelet, but it fell into this hole. I'd go after it, but there's so much dirt.
Leave that to me. Come on, I found a tunnel.
But it's dark down there.
No problem. I've got my firefly in my bag. Come on, buddy.
I don't understand. Why did you pull up the flowers? The hummingbirds have always stopped for nectar on Hummingbird Hill. You mean Bunny Hill, our home?
That means we live here.
They know what home means. We don't want anyone else coming here, so we got rid of the flowers. There's plenty of room on this hill. Can't you share?
Psst, what's she talking about? What's share?
Nothing. A made-up word. Stay focused. Can you at least explain why you need all these holes?
Duh. A rabbit needs many burrows. For
For example, this burrow is where I grew my fur, and that burrow is where BB chews sticks to sharpen her teeth.
Maybe you could groom and chew in the same burrow. Then I like your fur on a stick! Yuck! I think the problem is these two have never learned how to share. If only Lilac were here, she would... Wait, where is Lilac?
And where's Moss? He should have been finished by now.
Baby, Bobby, new emergency. We'll be right back. Please stay here.
Of course we will. This is our home, remember?
Bucky, a well-made pie is a work of art. Berries, please.
A very nice pie. Spoken as a fellow art lover, not a berry thief.
Forget it, Ellery. You're not getting this pie. Goodbye.
Thorn, I'll get that pie, one way or another. I'll get it.
Wow, isn't all this dirt amazing?
Yes, sort of. I'd rather see my lost pink stone. Firefly, would you shine over there, please? We found it! Oh, thank you, Moss. Thank you, Firefly.
Firefly, wait!
I think he went this way. Those are all our flowers. Who lives here?
Ah, busted. You distract him, I'll run away.
Hello. So you live here. It's very cozy, but you know what would make it even more fabulous? I'm all ears. I smell Lilac's perfume.
And I smell Moss's dirt.
I hear something. Huh? Hi, Firefly. Do you know where Lilac and Moss went? Wow, thank you. It's beautiful. Do we have a deal? You'll share Bunny Hill with the hummingbirds?
Yes.
And not take the flowers they need, like flower-stealing monsters?
Fine.
And you'll keep your house looking this fabulous all the time? Of course. Bobby!
Visitors in the park! They're bird watchers! Leap up, Lilybuds!
Look, at the top of the hill, hummingbirds, so many of them. I love those.
Here you go. Blackberry pie.
Sorry, Thorn. After all we've been through today, we're too tired for dessert. Maybe tomorrow.
Hey, well, I would still love some pie. Thank you, Thorn.
Ellery!